Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Ram 1500 muffler. Before we begin, ensure you have all your tools ready, including a 13mm, 15mm, and 16mm socket, along with an exhaust hanger removal tool. Safety is paramount, so always use jack stands to secure your truck and wear appropriate eye protection. Applying penetrating oil to all exhaust hangers and clamps beforehand will significantly ease the removal process. Now, let's start by disconnecting the exhaust components. Begin by loosening the clamps that secure the muffler to the mid-pipe and tailpipes. You'll typically find one clamp at the front and two at the rear, often requiring 15 or 16mm sockets. Next, use your exhaust hanger removal tool to carefully pry the rubber isolators off the metal hanger rods. Don't forget to disconnect any ground straps that might be clipped onto the muffler hanger for a complete separation. With the clamps loosened and hangers disconnected, it's time to remove the muffler itself. This component can be quite heavy, so ensure it is properly supported with a jack stand or a friend. Gently slide the muffler assembly backward to clear the exhaust pipes. You may need to rotate it slightly to navigate around the axle, gas tank, and various wires. Take your time to carefully maneuver the muffler out from under your Ram 1500. Once the muffler is successfully removed, take a moment to inspect the remaining exhaust pipes and hangers for any signs of wear or corrosion. If you plan to install a new exhaust system, it's a great opportunity to replace old gaskets and clamps for a secure, leak-free fit. Remember, the installation of a new muffler or delete pipe is essentially the reverse of removal. Finally, ensure you dispose of your old muffler responsibly, following all local environmental guidelines.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.